Hello dear students, you are welcome in our online live classes. Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. So children, this is your subject teacher of science from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golna Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Let's start our today's class. For that, take out your science book and open your page number 58. Page number 58, because we are going to do the exercise of this chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of this chapter is food and shelter for animals. Okay, the name of this chapter is food and shelter for animals. So children, as you all know that in the previous class I have explained you the chapter, and the exercise of this chapter is question number 1, and part of this question is A, B, C, that we have done in the previous class. Okay, and now I am going to explain you the question 2nd of this chapter, that is very short answer type questions. So get ready for the this questions answer. Okay, now let's start. Write one word for the following. So you can see here children that some questions are given here and you have to write the answer only in one word. Okay, so first one is a large area covered mainly with trees and small plants. I'm going to repeat it. Large area covered mainly with trees and small plants are called forest. Okay, so now write here forest, Forest, forest. Okay, so children, your first beginning letter should be capital and other letter should be small. Okay, and now let's see the second question, that is a rabbit makes this to live. A rabbit makes this to live. Do you know where does a rabbit live? Rabbit lives in a burrow. So write here now burrow, burrow, burrow. Okay, and now in the third question, horses are kept in this. So children, as we all know that horses lives in a stables, so answer will be stables, because horses are kept in this stable. So right now stable in the third answer, STABLES, staples. Okay, now question number 4 is a home that bees make to live. A home that bees make to live. Children, as we all know that bees makes a hive to live in. Okay, so write here hives, HIVES, hives. Okay, now is that clear? Okay, let's come to the next question, question 3rd. You can see here that answer the following questions. So children, first question is name 2 animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. Listen carefully again this question. Name 2 animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. So children, you have to write only 2 animals name that eat the plants as well as flesh of other animals. So let's write here a bear and crow. Bear and crow is the 2 animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. So right now BEAR, bear, AND, and CROW, crow. Okay, your first letter should be capital and other letter should be small. Now in the second question, why do birds make nests? Why do birds make nests? So children, we have read in this chapter that birds make nests to lay eggs. So write here the answer of this question, which will be the bird the birds, birds, make, make, nest, nest, toolay, lay, eggs, eggs. Children, you have to write only in this line. Okay, that is given for the answer. Question number 3 is, what do birds use to make their nest? What do birds use to make their nest? So children, you will have seen around us that birds use straws, twigs, leaves and cotton. So let's write here. birds, birds. use straw, 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 twigs, twigs, leaves, leaves and cotton, cotton, cotton. Okay, now put the full stop and the last of the ending of the sentence. Okay, and now last and fourth question is, write names of 4 animals that we keep and their homes. Once again, I am going to read it. Write names of 4 animals that we keep and their homes. Okay, so answer will be, first is cow, cow. Cow lives in shed, shed, shed. And now second one is the horse, horse, horse. And then put the sleeping line and distance. Horse lives in stable, so write here stable, stable. And now third one is dog, dog, dogs. So children, we keep the dog in our homes as a pet. So but dog lives in a kennel. So write here CKE, dog, 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 KENNEL, kennel. Okay, and fourth is hen, HEN, hen. Hen lives in coop. So write here coop, 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 coop. Okay, that's clear. Now our exercise is complete, and now let's come to the activity of this chapter, that is, let's recall. So children, you can see here that a recall, and let's recall. Okay, recall and complete the concept map given below. So children, you can see here incomplete map is given here, and you have to write in these boxes correct word, that is blank, and complete this map. Okay, so let's see this food and food that animals eat. So children, you have to write in the blank boxes that which foods the animals eat. Like plants are given here, and you have to see that cow and horse eat the plants, and hen is already given here, but this blank is you have to fill in this the food of this hen. Okay, so what does hen eat? Hen eats the seeds. So write here SEED, seeds. Okay, Now let's come to the next box that is given here, insects and worms. So which animals eat the insect and animals? You have to write in this box. So lizard, right here lizard, because lizard, woodpecker, hoopoe, etc. eats the insect and worms, but you have to write only one animal's name. So let's write here as lizard, Lizard, lizard. Okay, now let's see the next question, next box that is given blank, but in this box write here tiger and eagle. So tiger and eagle eat the flesh of other animals. So write here flesh, flesh, flesh. Okay, and now last box is both plants and flesh of other animals. Both, which animal eat the both plants and flesh of other animals? Bear and crows. So you have to write here bear, bear, bear. Okay, and now let's come to the next column, that is homes of animal. Homes of animal. So write here nest is house of bird, and web is homes of spider, because spider makes a web to live in. Okay, so write here spider, spider. And next is rabbit. Where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in burrow. So write here burrow, burrow, burrow. And bee, where does bees live? Bees lives in hive. So write in this box hive, hives, hives. And tiger lives in den. Tiger lives in forest. So write now here forest. Tiger lives in forest, forest, forest. Okay, and let's come to the next column, that is horse, homes of animals. So horse is already given here, and you have to write the homes of horse. Homes of horse is called stable. So let's write here in this box stable, stable, stable. Now next animal is cow, and cows live in shed. Right now shed, shed. Okay, now next blank is given here, and you have to fill this blank according to this word aquarium. Aquarium, fish lives in aquarium. Which animal lives in aquarium? Fish. So you have to write here fish, fish, fish. Now next is kennel is given here. So you have to write that which animal lives in kennel. Dog, dog, dog. Okay, that's clear. And now turn your page and come to the page number 59, and this is also a activity. So let's try. You can see here that a picture is given here, and you have to identify this picture and then answer of this question that are given. First question is join the dots and see the animals you get. Join the dots and see the animal you get. So children, take your pencil and join this dot by dot. Okay, and then you get that animal. Which animal is this? This is horse. This is horse. So you have to write after the color and join this animal. Okay, dot by dot. So question is name the animal. Then you have to write name of this animal. So write here HORSE, horse. Okay, now next question, that is B. What does it eat? So children, horse What does horse eat? Horse eats the plants, straws, etc. So you have to write in this answer plant as plants and grass. A and D and grass, grass. Now next is question C, that is name the house we make for it to live in. Once again, name the house we make for it to live in. The children, where does the horse live? Horse live in stable. So write here stable, stable. Okay. Now let's see the next question, that is join the dots to complete the picture. Where does this animal live? So children, this question is also similar. So you can see this picture and you have to make it with your pencil, means you have to match the dot with dot. Okay, with your pencil and then color it. Okay, so if you have done the color this, you have to write the in this blank. A rabbit lives in a dash dash. So what do you have to write in this blank? You have to write burrow, burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Now next, let's connect. So children, you can see here that we keep some animals at home. We should look after them. When an animal gets sick, we take him to a special doctor called a veterinary doctor or vet. Make as many names of animals using letters the word veterinary. Okay, so children, you have to write some names of animal. Okay, so like V for vulture. So write here vulture. What is the spelling of vulture? vulture, vulture. And second is E for elephant. So right now elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. And then put the comma. After that, let's see the T. Next letter is T. So write here T for tiger, TIGER, tiger. And then E for eagle, EAGLE, eagle. And then R for rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. And you can write the name of R for rat. Okay, in the same way you have to complete these questions and complete all the questions of this exercise, and that's enough for today. Okay.